How to fix Telegram login problem. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram login easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is very simple. Go to the settings in your mobile phone, and after that it will take you directly into this page. You will find many options here, but don't worry. All what you wanna do is very simple actually. Just scroll down, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, all what you want to do now is wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have in your phone. After that, scroll until you find Telegram, click on it, and then for stop the app, go to the data usage. Make sure that all these options are enabled, especially the Wi-Fi. Go back again, click on storage, click on clear cache. After that, go back to the settings in your phone, go to the wireless, add networks, and then enable the airplane mode for 13 seconds exactly, and after that disable it and reopen Telegram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.